Okay, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to find keywords for your content marketing from your Google Analytics data. So in other words, I'm going to show you how you can go into Google Analytics if you already have a website and you have GA installed on there, and how you can look at the keywords that are driving people to your site right now already, how to research them and how to group them and analyze them so you can figure out what keywords you should be focusing on for your website to expand your traffic, your SEO traffic. Okay, so I'm in my GA account. And what I'm going to do is go down here, go into Acquisition, Keywords, Organic. Okay, that's going to take me to the screen where it's going to show all the keywords, organic keywords that led people to my site. And you want to choose a decent time horizon for this, depending on your site's traffic. If you get tons of traffic, you can choose the past month or 3 months or 6 months. If you get less traffic, then choose the past year. Okay, so here are all the organic keywords that led people to keywordsblogger.com. You'll find the first thing, you'll probably see this, not provided is a huge percentage of the keyword data now. And what not provided means is simply that if a person, when they're searching on Google, is logged into their Gmail account or any other kind of Google account, then privacy protection means that Google is not going to show the keyword that led them to your website. It's obviously a huge issue for SEO and for other internet marketing aspects, but it is what it is. There are some methods that you can use to try and get around this or to try to triangulate the data, but that's for another post. So anyway, just leave that as it is. Just accept the fact for now that a lot of your the organic keywords are not going to show up in your GA account, but we're going to make do with what we have. Okay, so what you want to do then is you want to show all the rows. So I just usually go down here and show all the rows. You can skim through that if you want, but basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to try to group all the keywords for the certain amount of time and then do text analysis to pull out the most common ones so you can see which keywords are driving people to your site. You can see here that on my site, Principles of Persuasion, which is the book called Influence, Principles of Persuasion by Robert Cialdini. I've written a post on that summarizing his book. That has, for the past couple of years, actually driven quite a bit of traffic to my site. Evergreen niches is another one because I have a bunch of posts on how to choose an evergreen niche and what they are exactly. The awareness ladder is another one written on how to structure your website. So you can see that there's a few keywords, broad keywords that are driving traffic to my site, but we want to find out exactly when you combine the broad keywords with the long tail keywords, which are the ones that are really driving traffic that we should focus on. Okay, so then once you've done that, what you want to do is go up here and you want to export. So export to Excel. Okay, so I've already done this actually. I'm going to flip over right now to the Excel sheet. And once the Excel sheet opens, you're going to see that there's a summary screen. Then click on the tab down here to go to dataset 1. And I'll just open this up. So you'll see this in the first column, it provides all the keywords. So what you want to do is go down here, you just want to copy and paste all of these. And then we're going to paste it into an online text tool, which is an awesome tool that I've used for years. It's really good. So copy that and then go back to your web browser and go to Google, and you can just type something like online text utility. So I'm not sure what the URL is right now. And the first thing that comes up is this one, Text Analyzer Online Utility. It's online-utility.org. Awesome website. So all you have to do here is, what this page will do is it'll analyze all the text that you paste into this box. So it'll tell you the number of words, the occurrences, distribution, and everything else. I'll show you that in a second. So the first thing to do is just to paste all your keywords into this box, and then you just click on this Process Text button here. So this is what it shows up. First thing is the number of characters, number of characters with spaces, without spaces, number of words, etc., etc. That's not what we're concerned with. So the way it structures the results is it shows the top phrases, the number of times the phrase occurs based on the number of words in the phrase. So in other words, there were 2 occurrences of this phrase that a person typed into Google to arrive at my site. This actually looks like some sort of a spam bot thing, so anyway, we'll ignore that. But what's most important, what I want to draw your attention to is we don't want to be so concerned with the top phrases that have a lot of words in them, because the long tail phrases that have like 6 or 7 or 8 words, there's not going to be many of those, so we're not too concerned with those. What we're concerned with is a combination of keyword terms or phrases that have a decent amount of terms in them, but then get lots of searches. So if you want to find those, you just keep going down, and you'll see, for example, here, some top phrases containing 3 words. So you can see here, that 21 times people typed in principles of persuasion and they arrived at my site. Okay, so similarly down here, how to find, that's not useful, com site, again, these look like spam requests. Here, 6 principles of, that again is Robert Cialdini's book, 6 Principles of Persuasion. Going down here, 2,000 a month, that was related to AdSense. Schwartz, that's Eugene Schwartz, Breakthrough Advertising. That's the post that I have summarizing his book. Okay, the liking principle. Some people made it to my site with that. So even more interesting, you go down here. So here are a lot of searches that contain 2 words. Again, com site, that looks like a spam thing. Persuasion, principles of, and then going down here, breakthrough advertising. Pain points, and then Google AdSense, evergreen niche, keyword research. So what you do with this information is, so first of all, you've confirmed by doing this kind of analysis that these are the keyword phrases that are driving a lot of traffic to your site. These are the top keyword phrases. So what you want to do now is go in and do some more keyword research and find what related terms there are that are related to these terms. So I would go in and I would say, okay, I'll go into the keyword research tool and I would type in breakthrough advertising and find out what are the related terms that people are searching to find that. And then I would create more content on my site that target those keywords. This is the low-hanging fruit approach to SEO because Google already associates your site with these keyword phrases because it's already ranking you highly and it's already driving a lot of traffic based on those phrases. So Google already associates your site with those keywords, so it's going to be easier for you to rank for related keywords. So that's kind of an easy way to ramp up your traffic. So go to GA, grab your whole list of keywords from organic search for a specified period of time, preferably a year if you don't have much traffic to your site. Then come to this online text analyzer tool, paste them all in, and then see which are the top phrases that are getting the most amount of traffic that contain 2 or 3 words that are sort of the long tail keywords that are going to enable you to rank more quickly because it's probably lower competition. That's pretty much it. Any questions? Just please leave them below.